Hi guys! Hi vlog! Good morning and welcome to Rockyard Cafe. Halika na! Andito tayo siya ng rocks malamang. So I will show you the way. Magtutour around tayo dito sa cafe. Guess the view guys. Oh, there is the view. Ayan. May mga plants. And tingnan niyo yung mga rock formation. Rock formation. And rock formation. Halika na tapos yan. Yung mga pwesto ng mga tables, depende sa kung anong rock siya. So, pwede kang mag-tour around. Tingin-tingin ka. So, double purpose na kapag pumunta ka dito. Kumain, and also, mamasyal. Mag-tour. Oh, look at the view. And, yan. Medyo ingat-ingat, careful sa daanan. Oh, sabi ko na nga ba eh. Medyo nakakaano kasi. Nakakatakot ng parang kuweba. There. Oh, there you go. So that's the table number 1 daw, sabi ni ate. Punta tayo doon. Swerte, wala masyadong tao ngayon. So, pwede natin puntahan yung mga tables. Ayan. Okay. Oh, there's the feed. It's so nice. Ang ganda. Ang saya lang, oh. Tapos may daanan papunta doon. Caution, watch your head. And then, pupunta sa another table. And then another table. And another table. Oh, ba ako? Ay, nakakatakot. Of course, let's go. Let's do this. Let's tour around. Maganda yung table dito for family. For family, and there's your view. Overlooking the mountains. And alam niyo yung ano, if you know the electric fan ng Baguio City, aircon I mean, there. Mount Santo Tomas, yung dalawang satellite. Yan yung view natin from here, from the resto. Tapos, ayan, medyo bahay-bahay na kasi dyan. Pero, this view is, super relaxing. Ayan, pwede ka mag-aesthetic picture dito. And aesthetic ang picture dyan. Let's wait lang, mag-selfie ako. Alika, i-video mo ako. And then we will go down to where the love is. Sana all my love. Anyway, careful again. Where are you? Come on. Samahan mo ako. Samahan niyo ako and we will go to the next destination. Where? Saan yung daanan? May daanan pa ba dito?
Oo, doon ako galing.
Tapos, wala, ano yun? Ay, wala nang papunta. Ano na siya? It's dead end. Dead end na siya. Doon na lang tayo dumaan. Ayan o. May cave. Nakakatakot. Dito. Saan yung daanan? May daanan ba? Ay, oo, may daanan. May nakita ako. Fate. So, let's go there. Watch your head. Kung medyo matangkad ka. Ano yan? Oh, there's the hope. And nandiyan ka eh. There's the hope. So, faith, hope, and love. Ngayon, punta tayo kay Love. Ay, may cave! Pwede ka kayang pumasok dyan? May cave, oh. Ang gagawin mo naman dun? Okay. And here's the next table. That's the next table. And there's, may upuan dito. Butterfly. Ayun, natagpuan na natin si Love. Sana all, mahal. Sana all, love. And there you go. Okay lang yan, basta marunong tayong magmahal. Just keep loving. Be kind. Be kind, be good. Just love na. Let the love return in a right way. Tawag mo sinasabi, girl. At the right time. Because love can comes from your family. Di lang naman love as romance. Where are you? Paano ka nakarating dyan? Yung anak ko, nakarating na siya dun. Di ko pa alam kung saan siya dumaan. Pero may well dito. Well. Oh, there's the well. Medyo na dyan, oh. Gubat na. So, kit na tayo and we will check what's next. What's next from here? Where is the way? Dito. Dito pala ako galing. Hingal te. Wait lang, picturean natin to. So, siya ayun. Okay. Brel, picturean mo ako dito, ah. Ganda, oh. Okay. And that's the end of our tour. The end. Hi guys, ulit. That's the end of our Rockyard Cafe tour. So, balik na tayo sa upuan natin. And thank you for watching. Thank you for the like. And please like pala. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye. See you on our next gala. Anywhere. Okay. Bye-bye. Thank you.